So I should walk the dog, but now I'm here. So I'm using the front microphone of the MediaMod. The MediaMod on the GoPro Hero10. And so I don't know if it's bright enough or not. It's probably not bright enough here. I don't know, GoPro needs a lot of light and I don't have that to offer. Today we did not have a good sky here. We do have like 50% or more cloud coverage. So I'm not sure if my solar panel charged or not. I have to go over there to my little shed there to see what's going on. For that I have to switch the microphone around to the back side of the camera to get a good audio. For that again I have to interrupt the recording and start a new recording. So now I'm behind the camera, we're moving forward, with the microphone on the back of the MediaMod. We see in here, oh man, look at this. The shed was not locked up. Somebody left it open or somebody broke in overnight, who knows. I doubt that somebody broke in, because if somebody comes in here over the fence, they oftentimes don't get far. We had that happen once. And the dog is there before they make it all the way over. So they came 10-inch over the fence, like they made it 10-inch into the yard, and then that was not good. So here we are, and it's probably not bright enough. I say this again and again, not bright enough. But look what I have here. So I have this light. I do think that the fish has that too. The fish has those Ulanzi lights. I have one with RGB, with colors. And I have one with a regular light. So when I turn this on, here I can do full brightness. Here, you see this, how bright this is? And then I put this on the MediaMod. Could be a little loud. So now I have light, plenty of light. I can do all that here, right? See that? Now let's see what my battery status is and if this thing charged today. For that I do have to use my thing here, my phone. Look, 94% charge. Okay, let's connect and look at the history. Oh, we did very little today, very little. You see those bars, how little they are? You know? Did we get yield? Yes, 20 watt hours yield, because we didn't use any power, right? Usually we use 30 watt hours per night. We used 30 watt hours per night and it created 20, so we are minus 10. So not enough power today generated. Not enough generated to make this work. What a pain. So now the light is in the way for me to push the stop recording button. So in order to continue here, I had to switch again in the MediaMod the microphone to the front microphone, and then I have the light on now. And it looks like too bright to me. So I have to remember what button to push. Is that the right button? So I don't know what button to push. So this is the brightness on low. Okay. This is maybe too bright. So I'm watching the fish channel, Fishy Comics channel. I do that. Look at this. If the light is from behind me. So if the light is from behind me, then that's not bright enough. Then I would need more. So I need more light on this thing. Now it's full brightness on this light if I have light behind me here to make this work. Okay. So I'm looking at the fish's channel, and he's using a light like this, and maybe even the same light. I don't know. And you can go up here there and check it out on this channel, what he's using there when he's riding his bike. And I often feel when he drives at night that it is too bright on the face, you know. And that's why I got this one here. This one is the color one, RGB. And I'm gonna test that out, how that goes. When you turn this on, you have like different colors, you know. I don't know when this goes in my face. Like this, I can have a green beard if I need to. So like this, or from behind here. Is that good? I don't know. I'm gonna try this out later. Wow! So yeah, let's see this. This is like way too bright. Okay, so now I'm gonna unblock this up this time. There we go. And then I go out here and turn this off again. On low. Now it's low. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it off and turn the camera around again. For that I have to stop recording. So I switched to the back camera now, the back microphone, to have a better audio from behind the camera, not so much at front. And the problem I have now is the wind. So there is a wind muff over it, and I don't know where it is, so I don't know where I put it. You know, that's the problem. Where is my wind muff? I have so much crap floating around all over the place that I have no idea where it is, what I did with it. So that's a problem when you have a little bit of wind, like now. Alright, so this was enough of talk here. I need to check out when it's darker tonight if the colorful light does anything better. Yeah, this dog is looking at me. She wants to play so bad. I should go with her to the park. Oh, out. Alright, so I had enough. It's too cold for me. Cold. This is such a pain in the butt with those microphones I use here. It's so cold outside. So I can't stand it to be out here longer than 5 minutes. And so now I'm trying this microphone, the Røde Videomic, okay? That with a MediaMod on the GoPro Hero10. I am surprised that this thing so far works. Like, in a way, it didn't have too many mess ups in the way that it locks up and stuff like that. So that's a plus, okay? Now, I need to turn on my video light here. I still haven't memorized the buttons in the back. And what I turned on now was a green light. So I can change the RGBs here with buttons. I have to look up. Oh, here. There. So I can do... I'm thinking I'm switching something, but I don't. Oh, I do. Yeah. Sorry about this. So if I push the button here, it changes the color of the light to different colors. You know? And I don't know which one is best. Maybe at night, the bluish. The reddish is too much, right? Maybe this or this. This here, the more yellowish. Is that better? Does this make the picture brighter? I'm gonna go over here, and then I'm gonna see behind me here, the fence behind me. Does the light go over there? Not? Yeah, well, it's just a test. It may be too bright because my eyes are hurting from just looking at it, and I can't imagine driving around on a bike with this thing on there. It's heavy, even on the end of the stick here, and the light is so super bright. But it's yellow light. It's like a street lamp. So that makes it maybe better. You know? Now we go into a little darker area here. We'll see how that works. I hope the audio is still good when I'm so far away. But I'm in a pretty dark area now, and I think the light is still good.